Want to jump into the world of PC gaming but worried about breaking the bank? You're not alone. Many people think that building a gaming PC is an expensive and complicated endeavor. I'm here to tell you that building a capable gaming PC for under $500 is totally possible. Forget overpriced pre-built machines that often come with unnecessary features and bloatware. This is your chance to get your hands dirty and create something awesome. Imagine the pride you'll feel when you power up a machine that you built with your own two hands. Building your own PC not only saves you money but gives you complete control over the components. You get to decide the quality and performance of each part. You choose exactly what goes into your machine. This means you can prioritize the components that matter most to you, whether it's a powerful graphics card or a high-speed SSD. This means better performance for your budget and the ability to upgrade easily down the line. As new technology comes out, you can swap out parts without having to buy a whole new system. No more feeling limited by pre-configured systems. You won't be stuck with outdated hardware or unnecessary software. This step-by-step guide will walk you through every part of the process. From selecting the right components to assembling them, we've got you covered. We'll pick the right components, put them together, and get you gaming in no time. You'll learn valuable skills along the way that can help you troubleshoot and upgrade your PC in the future. Get ready to experience the satisfaction of building your own gaming PC. It's not just about saving money, it's about the joy of creation and the thrill of gaming on a machine you built yourself. Trust me, it's an incredibly rewarding experience. Let's do this. Together we'll make your dream gaming PC a reality. Choosing the right components is crucial for maximizing performance within our budget. It's like putting together a puzzle where each piece must fit perfectly to create a seamless gaming experience. The goal is to get the best bang for your buck without compromising on quality or performance. Don't worry, I've done the research and created a parts list specifically for budget-conscious gamers. This list ensures that every dollar is well spent, giving you a solid foundation for your gaming setup. AMD Ryzen 3200G around $70. This processor is a fantastic choice for budget builds. This processor packs a punch for its price, offering solid gaming performance and even integrated graphics to get you started. It's a versatile option that can handle both gaming and everyday tasks with ease. We'll be adding a dedicated graphics card later. This allows us to upgrade our system incrementally, spreading out the cost over time. This CPU has integrated graphics to get us started. While it won't match the performance of a dedicated GPU, it's more than capable of running many popular games at lower settings. 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz, around $30. This amount of RAM is the sweet spot for budget gaming builds. Fast and sufficient RAM is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. It ensures that your system can handle multiple tasks and games without slowing down. 500GB NVMe SSD, around $40. This storage solution offers a great balance between speed and capacity. An SSD will significantly speed up loading times compared to a traditional hard drive. You'll notice faster boot times, quicker game loads, and overall snappier performance. ASRock A320 MHDVR 4.0, around $60. This motherboard provides a solid foundation for our build. A reliable motherboard with all the essential features for our build. It supports our chosen components and offers room for future upgrades. Corsair CX450, around $50. A dependable power supply is crucial for the longevity and stability of your system. A quality power supply is essential for protecting your components. It ensures that your system receives clean and stable power, reducing the risk of damage. Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L, around $40. This case is both stylish and functional, a compact and affordable case with good airflow. Proper airflow is vital for keeping your components cool and running efficiently. This build prioritizes components that offer the best performance for the price, allowing you to enjoy a smooth gaming experience without breaking the bank. It's a testament to how far you can stretch a limited budget with careful planning and smart choices. Remember, prices may vary slightly depending on sales and availability. Always keep an eye out for deals and discounts to get the most value for your money. Now that we have our parts list, let's gather our tools and prepare our workspace. A well-organized workspace makes the building process smoother and more enjoyable. Make sure you have all the necessary tools such as screwdrivers, thermal paste, and cable ties ready to go. Before diving into the build, let's make sure we have everything we need. Having the right tools and a clean, well-lit workspace is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable building experience. Phillips head screwdriver with magnetic tip, essential for almost everything. Anti-static wrist strap protects your components from static electricity. Zip ties or Velcro straps for cable management. A non-carpeted workspace, your kitchen table works great. Good lighting, you don't want to miss any details. Once you have your tools ready, clear a spacious area on your table. Make sure to ground yourself with the anti-static wrist strap before handling any components. This will help prevent any accidental static discharge that could damage your precious parts. With our workspace prepped and our tools at the ready, we're ready to start assembling our PC. Let's begin with the foundation of our build, the motherboard. The motherboard is the heart of our PC, connecting all the other components. We'll start by mounting it inside our PC case. First, open your PC case and locate the motherboard standoffs. These are small metal screws that should be pre-installed. Next, align your motherboard over the standoffs, making sure the ports on the rear I/O panel fit snugly. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver to secure the motherboard to the standoffs. Don't over-tighten. That's it for mounting the motherboard. Now let's move on to installing the CPU, the brains of our gaming rig. CPU installation, the brains of the operation. The CPU is the heart of our build, responsible for processing all the instructions that make our PC run. Installing it might seem intimidating, but it's actually quite straightforward. First, open the CPU socket lever on your motherboard. Next, align the arrow on the corner of your CPU with the corresponding mark on the CPU socket. Then, gently lower the CPU into the socket. It should fit snugly without any force. Finally, close the CPU socket lever. You might need to apply a bit of pressure to lock it in place. With the CPU securely in place, let's install the RAM, which provides the memory our system needs to run smoothly. Pause. 1 SRAM installation, boosting your system's memory. RAM is crucial for system performance, especially in gaming. It allows our PC to access frequently used data quickly. Installing RAM is a breeze. First, open the clips on the RAM slots on your motherboard. Next, align the notch on your RAM stick with the notch on the RAM slot. Then push down firmly on both ends of the RAM stick until it clicks into place. The clips should automatically lock. With the RAM installed, our system is starting to take shape. Next, let's install the graphics card, which will bring our games to life. GPU installation, unleashing graphical power. The graphics card is responsible for rendering the visuals in our games. Our budget build will get a dedicated graphics card later, but for now, we're using the integrated graphics built into the CPU. First, locate the topmost PCIe X16 slot on your motherboard. This is usually the longest slot closest to the CPU socket. Next, open the rear case slot corresponding to the PCIe slot. Then, align the graphics card with the PCIe slot and push down firmly until it clicks into place. With the graphics card installed, we're getting close to completing our build. Let's move on to installing the storage and power supply. Storage and power supply, fueling the machine. Our NVMe SSD will serve as our primary storage drive, providing ample space for our operating system and games. First, locate the M2 slot on your motherboard. It's usually a small dedicated slot. Next, insert the NVMe SSD at a slight angle into the M2 slot. Then, gently push down on the SSD and secure it with the screw provided. Now let's install the power supply, which will provide power to all our components. First, position the PSU in its designated bay within the case. Next, secure the PSU to the case using the screws provided. Finally, connect the appropriate power cables from the PSU to the motherboard, graphics card, and SSD. With the storage and power supply in place, we're almost ready to close up our case and boot up our PC for the first time. Final assembly and boot up, bringing your PC to life. We're in the home stretch. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to assemble all the pieces and bring our PC to life. This is where all your hard work and patience pay off. First, double-check all cable connections to ensure everything is secure. This step is crucial to avoid any issues when you power up your system. Next, carefully close up your PC case and secure the side panels. Make sure everything is snug and in place. Then, connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse to the appropriate ports on your PC. These peripherals are essential for interacting with your new machine. Finally, flick the power supply switch on and press the power button on your PC case. This is the moment of truth. If everything goes smoothly, you should see the BIOS screen. This means your PC is successfully powered on and ready for the next steps. Congratulations! You've successfully assembled your own gaming PC. This is a huge accomplishment and you should be proud. From here you can install your preferred operating system, like Windows, and install the necessary drivers for your components. This will ensure everything runs smoothly. Once that's done, you'll be ready to download your favorite games and experience the joy of PC gaming. The possibilities are endless. Remember, building a PC can be a learning experience, so don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. There's no shame in seeking advice. There are tons of resources available online and within the PC building community. Forums, videos, and guides can be incredibly helpful. Now go out there, build your dream machine, and game on. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the incredible performance of your custom-built PC.